cold, wet, rainy. We have never done a cold weather test or a wet weather test for our car. This is the finals. I have to focus on my car, getting my teammates ready, getting the car ready.
I think back and I just think I was not the kind of kid that would ever be a part of this.
School was school. I hated it, it hated me. We never got along. I love cars, love working on cars. Doing it every day for life is a completely different thing. Being an auto mechanic was not gonna be the smart thing to do, so I had to figure something out. The teacher just turns around and says, "Hey guys, we've got a Greenpower car that's gonna be here."
It's getting kids from start to finish, designing the car, building the car, and racing the car.
I'll be honest, I kind of thought the whole car thing was, in a way, a bit of rubbish. And then we actually got the kit car. We got the students from all over the tech center to design and model up what they would think the best version of the race car would be. I kind of unknowingly stepped into a team lead role. Every mechanic wants to be a part of a race team, and this was going to be my race team.
We start the race, the top tier teams, they're actually having major issues to take them out for 45 minutes. If we can get past this person, just kept climbing and climbing in the fields. Everybody had a huge smile on our face. And then all of a sudden...
Yeah, we were going to do that. Matt, you did a good job, man. Look at that. Right on the center, man. Unbelievable.
We knew we were out of top 10 finish. But looking back at it, it was such a cool experience. Everybody just came together, and just seeing everybody work as a team, it was great.
Team USA, head back into the race.
We just wanted to finish the race. That was going to be our sense of accomplishment. Throughout the race, we had been really concerned about our batteries. We didn't finish the race. At that moment, my heart just sank. It wasn't all bad news. We did end up getting the Innovation Award. There was a huge sense of accomplishment there because we were showing other teams what their cars can be. Since we've been back, lots of things have happened personally in my life. There has been lots of talk about getting Greenpower started here in the United States. I've actually been hired in as an intern. I'll be traveling to the schools, helping them get started up into the programs that they need to design their cars. You say it's the end of the story, and yeah, it's the end of the story for the film. This really is the beginning.